Hey guys, welcome back. Recently I launched IELTS Reading Preparation Kit for all of you who are struggling in the reading section. A lot of you have already started seeing the benefit of it and the others. If you are also struggling in the IELTS reading section and want to prepare it in just 7 days, then visit courses.manjitaosta.com and get your copy of IELTS Academic or General Training Reading now. Well, let's move ahead with IELTS General Training Task 1, that is letter writing. I have heard many students say they simply don't know how to score high in the writing section. Do you also feel the same way? Well, then I have some good news for you. I've launched IELTS Letter Writing Preparation Kit to help you solve your problem. I will share more information on it as we go ahead in this video. So, today I'll be sharing a key checklist with you. This checklist will help you understand if you have ticked all the boxes of scoring high in the letter writing section. This will definitely be your best guide to writing a power-packed letter. Use this for writing formal, semi-formal and informal letters. So let's start with the first one. Have I read and understood the instructions? It is a very good idea to spend extra minute reading question as well as the instructions. The key to giving the right answer lies in this. Do not take this task lightly. If you have skipped this step, then this checklist will help you to be on track. Let's move on to the second one. Have I understood the correct tone of the letter? Now if you get this part wrong, then all your efforts go down the drain. Don't you agree with me? When you read the question, identify what type of letter is being asked to write. Is it a formal, semi-formal or an informal letter? You can identify the tone by looking closely and understanding whom are you actually addressing the letter to. Is it to a friend, is it to a boss or is it to a neighbor? I understand letter writing can be challenging if not aware of what the examiners are looking for. Keeping this in mind, I have created IELTS Letter Writing Preparation Kit. It is a one-stop destination to solve all your letter writing problems, containing detailed tutorials on teaching you the strategy and technique to improve your writing skills, important letter writing vocabulary list which will prove to be your best guide, formal, semi-formal, informal letters covered in detail, including how to plan effective letter with a proper execution strategy. The exercises at the end also have some sample answers with proper guidance to write them. The link to the course is in the description box below. If you want to get higher bands in letter writing, then you must not miss getting your preparation kit now. Well, let's move on to point number 3 of the checklist. Have I made a plan? Many students skip this part thinking that they are saving time. However, that's actually not a smart thing to do. Making a solid plan is the key to writing a power-packed letter. Always spend 4 to 5 minutes planning your letter well. I have covered detailed planning technique for all the 3 letters in my preparation kit. Now let's move on to point number 4. Have I addressed all the bullet points? Missing any one of the points asked in the question is not a good idea. I'm sure you do not do this on purpose, but the question is how to ensure that it doesn't happen in the actual test. And the answer is this foolproof checklist, which I'm sharing with you. Always run your letter writing process through this checklist. Ensure you have answered all the bullet points and supported with proper explanation. Now let's move on to point number 5. Have I used appropriate language? Just identifying the correct tone of the letter is work half done. The cake is not fully baked yet. You should be using appropriate vocabulary and language to write that particular type of letter. Focus on using formal words for formal letters and casual style of writing for informal letters. Now let's move on to point number 6. Have I separated my letter into paragraphs? Paragraphing technique is a must and you are scored on coherence and cohesion of your answer. Writing one big fat paragraph will do no good. You need to segregate every idea into separate paragraphs. Well, this is a very tiny snippet of what the actual IELTS letter writing preparation kit consists of. Do not waste your time figuring out yourself how to score high. Rather, be smart and just follow the step-by-step process taught in this preparation kit and get higher bands. As you already know, you are my rock star and you will be a champion soon. I'm here to help you in your journey. All the best.